So, back today with the Meteora, and it is a little more worn in now. I've had some time to play it in. Had some comments that were made about the guitar that have made me wonder if it's exactly what they seemed to think it was when it was originally, if this one is exactly like it's supposed to be. But in this price range, which is $1,100, $1099, I think, brand new at the time of recording, this guitar is a Mexican-made guitar. So it is made in I forget where the name of the plant is, but it's a really good looking guitar, and it definitely has great quality control. But the pickups, some folks have said they have the similar situation with their pickups, and others have said they do not have a similar situation with the pickups. And it got me to thinking, what else is available in the approximate $1,100 range that you could buy out and about on the open market? So what I've got is the Meteora and another humbucking guitar that has split coils, and that's the Tribute HP that we got from the demo shop. Now the Tribute HP is, in amongst itself, just a regular old Les Paul with humbuckers, and there are several of them that come with coil splitting, and that's really where we're focusing on today. Is what does the coil split sound give you on a Les Paul, because these are both solid bodies, so that neither one of them have any kind of special tricks up their sleeve, but you can go out and get one of these for about the same price as what those, maybe $100 or $200 more. But there are studios that are the same basic construction as this guitar, and they are a dime a dozen at $1,000. So you can go get one in moderately good shape for $1,000, and it will do everything that the Meteora does, and have 2 volumes and 2 tones. So today, just going to listen to the Meteora, play it split coil, come back and listen to this one, and listen to the same riffs basically, and play it split coil. So here we go. Because I just can't get away from playing this group when I pick up this guitar. Now, split coil on the neck pickup. You see how much quieter that got? And that's with the volume turned all the way up on the neck pickup. Let's do that with the Les Paul. Just plugging this guitar in, I can tell you that the pickups are hotter on this guitar. So. Now the split. So you see how there's almost no difference between the volume difference is almost non-existent. And the same will be true on the bridge pickup. Split it. Back to the Meteora. Now hold on. Something just popped up. The out of phase had gone on that, but that shouldn't make a difference with these. But we're just going to play it one more time just to make sure this doesn't have a crazy sound. Yep, no difference. Out of phase doesn't work if you're playing it on one pickup at a time. On a modified guitar, though, you never know when something might be crossed in that pickup system on the PCB, something like that. So that's why I want to make sure. Now, listen to this. Again, we're back on the Meteora. And then split it. I almost wonder if the front half of these pickups needs to be brought up some to fix that. I just cannot help but think that when you split them, these, let's see if I can show it to you. Can you see how much further down that is than this is? And the same is true on the front. The bass side of the pickup, which is the poles that are on the first three, or the bottom three strings, are all way further away. And I almost wonder if that's where we're getting the lack of sound from. Because when it's split like that, you're not getting hardly any tone. But when it's in full humbucker mode, it's got a definite difference, like much more noticeable. So you're getting double the coils, and therefore you're getting more sound. And I wonder, I might have to do some tinkering with this, or maybe I'll see if Sweetwater will swap it for something, because I'm not sure what's going on there, but it definitely sounds like this guitar has a lack of sound when coil split. And for comparison purposes again, anyway, here's the bottom line. When you split a coil on a Gibson, or you split a coil on a PRS, and I'm not counting the PRSs for very much because they've got their own little proprietary system that they do that makes everything sound like the same. And it's even hard to tell if it's single or double coil on certain PRS guitars. But the difference really is pretty strong when you listen to a Gibson humbucker with a tap or coil split, and then the Meteora. Anyway, just a short video to show off some of the differences between these two guitars, and who knows, maybe I will put this one up against the PRS just to show off the PRS again. I mean, maybe it's time for a blue guitar day. Anyway, bottom line, coil splits, about the same price. If I was to say which one I think I'd choose, I think I'd take the Gibson, because while the Fender is a good looking guitar and it's a pretty thing, I just don't know that I can embrace those pickups. Till next time.